YouTube, man? It's your boy Jackie D back up here, man. And right here, we got my Alabama Crimson Tide going on the road versus the Georgia Bulldogs. So first things first, let me talk about this game. Alright? First things first. I'm tired of being humble. We own these puppies, man. We own those little puppies. Yo, we own those. We own those puppies, man. We own them. We own them. We own them. And a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and say, they never would have beaten us if our two receivers never would have went down. Matter of fact, if we would have had at least one of them, we would have beat them. Go ahead and talk about Georgia this, Georgia that. They scared everybody. They scared all of college football. That's y'all boogeyman. They don't scare us. Oh, no. We own them. They report to us no matter where. And then they were talking about, oh, it's the first time they coming to Georgia in 2015. We beat y'all in national championships, SEC championships in Atlanta. We own y'all in Atlanta, in Tuscaloosa, in Athens, in California, in New Orleans, in Louisiana, in Florida. It don't matter. We own y'all. Y'all report to us. Y'all report to us. Y'all check in with Big Bra. Alright? But not all y'all Georgia fans, all Georgia fans, y'all report to Big Bra Bama. Let's get into the game. That should have been a pick already. Woo! That should have been a pick already. Tell you, man, Georgia got lucky. 37, tie 7. Get out of there. Tell you, man, he can move too. He's not. God dang, he's not Miro speed, but he can move, trust and believe. And right here, he laid this ball on the money. Hollywood, you gotta catch the ball. But that's your one. That's your last for the season. Matter of fact, we can't let that happen no more. Alright. First down, man. Simple. First down. Alright, play action, man. Ty Money. Talk to him. Don't talk to him like that. Don't go. There we go. Let's go, Horton. Hey, man. I love Horton, man. Horton is low-key one of my favorite receivers, man, on the team, man. Big body receiver, New Orleans Saints, and it could be that's your guy. Big body receiver, man. Reliable target. Go get it. And you can run, too, man. Alright, 2nd and 13. This one get that ball to Bernard. And Hollywood missed the block, but he got the second one, though. The commentator talking about it first, but he got the second one. Alright, 3rd and goal right here. That's when he talked to him. Jeremy! Go to Jeremy, baby. Hit him with the slant. Woo! Oh, hold on. So he run that back, Turbo. Woo! Woo! Who that was? Ellis? We're going to see him later on. We're going to see that fool later on. Alright. But, this is what we got to do, though. The running game. Alright. We got to get better with our running defense. Alright? That's what we got to get better at. 35. Good defense. T-Bug that boy. 37. Time Money. Talk to him. Way to step up. First, Quay. Hey, I love Quay. There we go, baby. Love it. Methodical. Now, we started doing some stuff where we thought, I don't know what word we're going up. Thought we start passing the ball. Hey, it got crazier. Trust and believe. And some worked, some didn't. That one didn't work, but we got something later on that worked very well. Kevin Riley, who I love. Redshirt freshman, I believe. He's played for like 4th depth chart to becoming now the 2nd with the returning Jan Miller. First down, Hollywood. Talk to him, Hollywood. First. 3rd and 2. Get the ball to Jerm. Jerm, get that first. Jerm, I feel like he's playing his way to becoming a first round pick. Simpson. Woo! There you go, Brooks. Freshman. Way to hang on to the ball, Brooks. Let's go, Lottie. Jam Miller. There you go, Jam. There you go, Jam. There you go, Jam. First and goal. Play action. Throw it back. Horton. Tiny! Shut him up! 14-play drive. Tied. I'm telling you, man, that's just them knowing what they want. Fade away, get back, fade to the open spot. Ty gonna put it on the money. Alright, Damani. Now, I feel like we gotta do better at angles. Cause I feel like some runs did not have to get an extra 10 yards. That tackle got to be made right there, and he gained extra like 15 to 20 yards. That can't happen. And right here, I didn't like the play call by the coach. He said it was on him. I didn't like the play call blitzing right there. But again, right there, you one-on-one, you had no help. You gotta get better effort than that. He beat you in and out. He really got frozen. He just got beat. Probably not a great play call at that spot. Screen! Cameron Riley. There you go, Riley! There you go! I'm telling you, bro, Riley, I'm telling you, play his way from the 4th string or 5th string of the depth chart to becoming RB2. He was RB5 to RB4, RB5 to RB2. There you go. Had time, had space. Couldn't do much. That's a good punt. That's a good punt. There you go, Barney! Stick that boy, Barney! Stick that boy! I'll tell you, man. Bray Hubbard, from that struggle in week 1 to becoming a turnover machine. Now the run game, we gotta get better at run game. We ran it twice. I wish right here we would have passed the ball, but them decent yards right there, because we got it to a 3rd and 5, which is what you want. But at the end of the day, that's only one play, and it really wasn't a high percentage play, but we got a field goal. We got to get touchdown at that spot, but great job for our defense, though. That's what we love to see. And there you go, defense. Tackle! There we go. Pierre, 7. There, I don't know who 7 is. Yeah, he played last year, didn't he? But then we can't give up a 1st down, though. Xavier, come on, bro. Xavier been struggling to start the season off. They get sacked right there. There we go. 2nd and 12. And our run game is looking pitiful. And Damani Jackson with another poor angle, giving up an extra 20 yards. Like, what are you doing? You got like, what are you doing? Do you not see him running at you? Like, that's like, come on, huh? He normally be so physical. He normally be the one to set the tone with the hard hits in secondary. They just started running the ball. 3rd and goal. And we stuff them right there. Well, what we do? Yeah. 4th and goal. Xavier Hill. Xavier Hill. Like I said, man, Xavier been struggling. Love to see him way more of a leap. Did get in right there. Pitch. And there you go. Alright, so we got 2 minutes left. Alright, here we go. Hollywood. First. And actually was short by a yard. Pass, baby. Option pass, baby. Give it to Jern. Pass it out to Horton. First down. You can't run the ball. that's what we don't trust. That's why we're doing that. Pump fake, spin out. Woo! There you go, Hollywood. Low A line doing a great job. Screen, Brooks. Got it, spin move. There you go, Brooks. Let's go, Brooks. Alright, here we go. Yeah, bounce. You got 46 seconds. Hey, yeah, hold on, defense. Oh, yeah. Got Hollywood. And he's going to play everybody been talking about. Partner! Almost scored! I didn't know what was going on. Bro, we just living in the moment. We were going crazy. Hey, look, he just diving. You diving at nothing. He just rumbling, bubbling. Almost scoring. And right here, Jeremy, fake it out. Ty, get it. Get it there, Ty. Tell the boy to shut up. Shut up. Shut up, pups. Puppies. Shut up. Hey, he had a touchdown too. He had tight end wide open, but guess what though? The running lane is right there. It was you throw it to the tight end, you run it yourself. He chose to run it himself. Tackle, halftime. That's a good half. Yes, sir, man. We all love Wheels, man. Shout out to Wheels, man. We appreciate you. All right, second half, we got the ball first, right? Down first. Ooh. 2nd and 6. Give it to Jern. Jam with lead block. First. 3rd and 4. We had Horton. There you go. Edwards. 1st and 10. Screen. And this one they really started to kill the screen. 3rd and 11. Nothing's really open right there. Making a field goal. 43-yarder. Now I know the reason why we went and got a transfer kicker last year. Instead of letting him kick.
But it's not pretty. Still in Bell in motion. It's a reverse. It bounces off and running.
That play was really on Sab. Sab really was the only one that was just to make play, and he got fooled. Jackson again giving up the angle, giving up the outside, giving up leverage. Hope we get that fixed next week against Vanderbilt, who loves to run the ball on the perimeter. And this play was crazy. They wasn't right there. Calling this right here targeting.
What do you see there? They're looking to see, obviously, if he's got a crown of the helmet on the runner.
Calling that target in between tackles, man, is crazy.
I think it's 23, James Smith. After video review, there was targeting.
Calling that targeting is crazy. That is ridiculous, calling targeting. That's absolutely ridiculous. They almost scored right there. And they end up scoring right here. You gotta stop. You gotta wrap up. Can't just lower your shoulder, you gotta wrap up. Alright, 2nd and 6. So we're gonna jam. Oh man, horse quality. Yeah, horse quality. That's crazy. And we couldn't get a yard.
If anything, he lost a half yard on 3rd down. Play clock at 1.
And that play completely messed up. The problem is because we can't run the ball. So I felt like I should have passed the ball on 4th down.
2nd and 9. Stockton launches downfield.
Drop! Hey, we had a drop. They had a drop. Oh, that was dropped to a pick. They had a drop touchdown. We had a drop touchdown. And the offense is struggling right now. Jackson again, the one giving up levels. Jesus Christ, Jackson. He gonna kill us on the ground. 3rd and 3. And we hold him short. Now, 4th and 1. This right here is I feel like probably the biggest play of the game right here. They run it. Get him down! LT! Boy, big. 38. And then right here for the... Woo! Let's go, Hollywood! 2nd and 8. They go Horton. Play action again. Get the tight end Quay. 37. Deep drop. And that right there should have been PI, man. That was PI. But we had a good punt or something like that. That was a good one. And that there, what a catch and what an accurate throw by Gunner Stockton. And what a catch. Lower his shoulder. And we're 3rd and 9. Flag. All you gotta do is tackle. Go, Lee!
Offense, 2 players were moving at the same time. They never got sacked for a second. That penalty's declined. 4th down.
3rd and 1. First. And look at Ellis Robinson diving.
After play, personal foul, unnecessary roughness, defense, number 1. That's 2 yards to be added. 1st down. That's losing your mind.
He said, that's losing your mind. 3rd and 5. This game right here. Time money. Yeah! Game. The streak is over. And it's over. The streak is over. The 33-game home winning streak is snapped. all because of that boy Ty Money Simpson and the Alabama Crimson Tide. Like I said at the beginning of the video, we own these puppies. We own them. They are little puppies. You report to Big Bruh Bama, Georgia fans. You report to Big Bruh Bama. Cause that's who he is, alright? Alright? If you guys like this video, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Cause guess what? Vanderbilt, you're next. Last year, we ain't forgot about what happened. But this time, you in Tuscaloosa. Can't wait to see you. It's gonna be nice to see you. If you like, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Lay y'all boys. Gang.